Hi guys, we are Growing Up Without Borders, and today we are visiting
Six Flags over Texas. So come along, let's go have some fun.
So today we are visiting Six Flags over Texas here in Dallas. The lineups are big already. It's not even open, but as you can see, it's really busy. So we're going to take you on a tour today, show you all the rides that there are. Let's go. We are getting this special tour today here at Six Flags in Dallas. This is going to be so much fun. Texas SkyScreamer, our first ride of the day. So high. You see all of Texas, all of Fort Worth, like the whole area. It's just amazing. It's crazy. Super high. Not all of Texas, of course not. You can see all of Dallas and Fort Worth. It's crazy.
So it was pretty scary.
All the way up. They actually are in the Guinness Book of World Records, guys. Look at that. It's 122 meters high, 402 feet, so it's like the tallest in the world.
And as you can see, this is a ride called El Sombrero, which means hat.
And here it goes. Woohoo! Taking advantage of our refillable cups. Here we go. This is a bobsled ride. And what's so cool about it, Julia?
There's no rails.
Here's the benefit of getting the Flash Pass. The Flash Pass. This is the benefit. You get it to go at all the exit lines and get first in line.
We just went on is basically called Viper, but in Spanish, so that'd be Roja.
And what's it like?
It's really fun. It's like you're really like on a bobsled. So right now we are somewhere where it's for little kids. It's called Bugs Bunny Boomtown, right? And it's fun for little kids. Opened in 1961. It was the original Six Flags. It basically represents the 6 nations that put their flag over Texas, which includes Mexico, Spain, France, Texas, the Confederate United States, and then the United States of America.
Okay, so Jude and Chloe are going to tell us where we're at right here today. What's it called? city?
Like all the different superheroes. It's like a TV series, and there's like Batman, the Joker, Superman, all these different superheroes.
Cool. What are we doing next?
This ride.
This is going to be really crazy because we're going to go all the way up and down. You guys figured out where we're off to next?
Yeah, we're going to go to Batman.
Okay. What are you girls getting yourselves on?
Yeah!
What is it?
Catwoman!
Catwoman! Woo, woo, woo! That we just went on.
It's called Mr. Freeze Reverse Blast.
That was the craziest ride I've ever been on in my life. It
like starts backwards and it goes all the way up
and you go a loop and you go like straight up and then
but you gotta do it to really experience it.
And the G-force is so strong, like it was crazy. Mr. Freeze Reverse Blast. It sure is a blast.
Train. Well, now we're going on the big mine train.
Okay, here we go. Guys, if you love roller coasters, there are so many roller coasters to go do while you're here.
The whole day. Like,
it's just non-stop.
So
yeah.
We're going on a 4D ride right now. And it was really fun because you were like actually moving and going fast and stuff. It wasn't just like you're moving like that. It was like actually you're in action.
Felt like you were moving.
Yeah, it was really fun. So now we're walking into France.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay, so here's what the old Six Flags used to look like.
I might water, and then there's telecabines.
Yeah, they had telecabins. They still had the same themes like Mexico, Spain, Texas, the old South they called it, France, and United States.
Something cool, they had a circus with elephants.
Cool. What's next, girls?
The Titan.
This guy there just passed out. I don't know if we can do it, guys.
Yes, we can. Really quickly.
This used to be the tallest ride that has the tallest drop.
60 degree or something. It's an 80 degree.
Okay, we're gonna clarify this, but everybody getting off is like, oh my gosh, that was crazy, that was crazy.
Somebody who passed out.
So it's the tallest
one
ride
in Texas.
in all of Texas.
At 85 miles per hour. And we we were like, oh my goodness, what's going on? Because everyone was like getting like nervous.
Can I tell you something funny?
Yes.
I sticked out my tongue because I was like, ah, and then I got my tongue stuck out in the air like, because
Well, you know what?
too fast.
My eyeballs felt like they were gonna pop out, so I was like, I better close my
We
eyes.
weren't sure what to expect, but it was really fun. You gotta try it.
It was worth it.
You only live once, so try it all.
Yes.
There's a grandma.
There's a grandmother on there.
I think so.
Should we bring Nana on there, guys?
Really fun. It was nice and smooth.
The back ride's definitely the best. You feel like your belly going up and down, and it's amazing. So now we're about to go on Runaway Mountain. We have no idea what to expect. It's gonna be fun. Tell me about it, Chloe.
Okay, so it was all in the dark, so it was really fun, a little scary.
And you feel G-force, eh? Don't you?
Yeah.
Woo!
So it's olden day cars, and you go around the little detour, little park.
Chloe's driving us around on her little old car ran by gas, and right in front of us is an oil rig. And we're gonna go all the way up it later. Okay, so this here was built by a Swiss company, and it's in the shape of an oil rig. And so we're gonna go up, and apparently it's just gonna be spectacular. We're gonna see the whole view of the city. But not
Last
least,
ride of the night, Shockwave.
Shockwave.
We
Here
haven't done
go.
it yet, but it has 2 hoops. Thanks for watching our tour of Six Flags over Texas.
Please subscribe and give us a big thumbs up.
And comment down below where you're watching from. We'll see you next time.
Bye.